Meditation is a practice where an individual uses a technique, such as mindfulness, or focusing their mind on a particular object, thought or activity, to train attention and awareness, and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm and stable state. It has wide range of classification. Majorly it is classified into focused meditation and monitoring meditation. You may ask how to do focused meditation? That's why I'm here to teach you in simple manner. Take two objects. Keep one object near to you and other far away from this object. Bring your attention closely to the nearest object. Keep focusing at one particular point. After that, change your vision to other object which is far. Do this for 2 minutes. Your thoughts comes and goes. Your mind is like a monkey, always trying to talk to you. Leave your thoughts and concentrate on the object. Do this for 3 minutes a day. This will improve your concentration power and make you to aware of your surroundings. Next step is monitoring meditation. In this, you will close your eyes and monitor your breathing sensation. This will improve your presence of your mind in day-to-day activity. In next video I will show you the guideline to meditate, so that you can do meditation by just playing the video and follow the guideline. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon, so that you don't miss any videos. We produce a video per week.